What it is, guys, it is your boy Damien15 back again with another update on Hurricane Dorian. So, we are now under the 8 a.m. advisory. Hurricane Dorian has now been upgraded to a Category 2 hurricane with sustained winds of up to 110 miles per hour. And pressure is at 972 millibars, and the storm is currently moving northwest at 12 miles an hour. So, I will give you further information on the storm because I'm thinking about going live today. So, yeah. If you're watching this on Instagram TV, I'm possibly going to be going live on my YouTube channel. This is going to be a YouTube exclusive live stream. So, yeah, probably, maybe after breakfast I can just go downstairs and set up the computer, go live. So, I will see you guys at the live stream today, so I can give you further information on this hurricane. Peace.